Don't know how to give your mom a hint to get you a cat? How can you not love them? They are so cute! A t-shirt with a stain? You can't wear this, that's for sure! But don't just throw it away! Apply a paper template of a cat to the clean area of the fabric. Go over it. Cut out the cat and small details. Sew them in pairs. Turn inside out and fill them with stuffing. 3 paws and a tail. Is something missing? I think everything is correct. Apply the paws to the body. Sew them, leaving a small hole. Fill the body with stuffing. Sew it. Cut out details for the face from black foam paper with sequins. Fasten a kawaii face with a hot glue gun. Here, kitty kitty! Who's a good kitty? It's a new sofa cushion. It's getting cold, so cats want to stay on the couch. And for the next idea, you will need a postcard with a cat ripping paper. Cover it with a sheet of paper. Cut out the image following the outline. Cut a smaller sheet of paper into pieces, just like a cat. Attach them to the edge of the torn hole. Glue the frame to the postcard and make a 3D picture. Cut it out. Glue the cat to the toilet seat cover using double-sided tape. Oh no! Why is there a cat in the bathroom? Did you confuse the toilet with the litter box? Microfiber is as gentle and soft as a kitten's fur. Let's turn it into something nice. Cut a couple of details with ears out of microfiber. Put them together, facing each other. Leave out a couple of millimeters and sew the pieces together. Leave a small hole. Turn it inside out and sew the hole shut. Fasten felt parts, ears, cheeks, and green eyes. Attach an elastic band to the back. Done! Who's under the blanket? Aww, it's my favorite kitten! Every self-respecting kitten should have its own sleeping mask, so it sleeps well and has magical fluffy dreams. For this idea, take different colors of wire. Unroll about this much. Cut the wire with pliers. Twist the end in a small spiral with round pliers. Make a few more zigzags to make whiskers. And make a long twisted tail. Let's make a couple of whiskered friends so that the kitty won't get bored. The cats take over the book pages, and you now have new cat bookmarks. Place the bookmark on a page. And remove it when you come back to reading. Compact and convenient. Will you try to make one? Toys are for babies, although you can turn them into something for older kids too. Make a hole with an awl. Shorten the pin. Insert it into the hole. Fasten earring fixtures. How else can you show the world that you are crazy about cats? That's right, cat earrings! I'll call them Purr and Meow. A team of jewelry cats guarding my ears? Now you can see who the true cat lover here is right away! For the next cat idea, take a cardboard box and a foam sponge. Cover the box with white acrylic paint. Cut out a cat head from thick cardboard. Draw a face and color it with paint. Paint the middle of the face white. Color the eyes black. Make one spot black and the second one bright orange. Also color the back of the piece. Glue the details on both sides of the box. Make a slot for coins in the lid. What a funny cat piggy bank! Did you know that calico cats attract money? You wanted a pet? Here's a cute kitten for you! Don't forget to feed it at least once a day. And you'll quickly save up the money you need to make your dreams come true. This time, you'll need slippers and toy cats. Cut the toy into parts and sew them on the slippers. The paws, the face, and the tail. Sew the second pair of paws. Done! Perfect slippers so you can walk like a cat. Sneak up on people and stay unnoticed. No scratches on the sofa, and most importantly, your feet are warm. For this idea, you will need a picture of a cat and a hanger. Cut out the face along the outline. Take a sheet of gray cardboard. Apply the hanger to the cardboard and put the cat on top. Go over it. Cut it out. Glue the cardboard stencil to the hanger. Prime the hanger with white acrylic paint. Sprinkle the fresh paint with glitter. Glue a shiny collar made out of foam paper and attach the cat face. So, what should I wear? Your personal stylist, Kitty Chanel, comes to the rescue. This cat really understands fashion. And now take a piece of shiny foam paper, a hair tie, and some yarn. Wrap the yarn around your fingers. Remove it and tie it in the middle. Tighten the knot. Cut the loops and fluff the threads. Tie the pom-pom to the hair tie. Cut off the extra threads. Cut out sharp ears from foam paper. Glue them to the pom-pom. Make a face out of rhinestones. Wow! What cool hair ties! Usually kittens tangle everything up, but ours will keep the hair in order. Next, take a disposable plate and a postcard of a cat. Cut off the furry face in the shape of a heart and glue it to the plate. Use a hot glue gun. Make a hole in the center. Attach a clock mechanism from the back. Now attach hands. I'm wondering, does a cat clock tick or does it meow? Glue the ears and hang the clock on the wall. Hey, what time is it? It's time to pet the cat and give it a delicious treat. Oh, and my kitty knows it's time to have lunch even without checking the time. By the way, what do we have for lunch? Delicious Meow Toast! Put a slice of cheese on sandwich bread and a couple of tomato slices on top. Take a fresh cucumber, a boiled egg, and some olives. Cut out triangular ears from the cucumber. Make eyes out of the egg white. Lay out a black nose and pupils from olives. Decorate the ears with tomato slices and cucumber whiskers. Make one more sandwich from the same ingredients. Wow! It's not your stomach growling, it's us, cheese cats! Yum! What a good combination of ingredients! And it looks really Instagrammable! Does the old folder look tired? A cup of coffee will cheer it up. Well, more precisely, this folder will help the coffee. Cut out shapes matching the cup diameter. Draw cats with a marker. Cut them out. Test the stencils. Apply a piece of plastic to the cup and sprinkle it with cinnamon. Remove the stencil and get a cute cat on top of your coffee. Enjoy! Felt shouldn't just gather dust in a box. Let's share one more idea of a cat-themed accessory. Draw a ball with ears and paws on the sheet of felt. Cut it out. Hot glue the paws. Cut out an oval from blue felt and small details from colored pieces of felt. Attach the blue tummy using hot glue. Glue the details of the face, ears, and the heart-shaped paws. It's not a kitty without whiskers. Fasten half beads for the eyes. Decorate the cheeks with beads. Your friend will want one just like this, so let's make one more cat. Stands for mugs are always needed everywhere, especially such cute ones. Cozy coasters for the most pleasant tea time. And no stains or drops on the table. Did you like our cat-themed ideas? What's your cat's name? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so that you don't miss the most interesting ideas and life hacks on Troom Troom Select.